Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So if you're starting to see the first signs of aging and you're looking for a quick but effective routine to tackle that, then I have a couple of products to show to you today. So if you do nothing else, what I recommend you do is use a nighttime anti-aging cream and use an under eye serum or product of some sort. So the two products that I'm going to show you today that are in those categories are both from a brand called Triumph and Disaster. This is the anti-aging nighttime cream, it's called Dark Moon, and then they have their eye serum which is called Dichotomy. So I'm actually using the Dark Moon Hydrating Cream right now. It looks like that. I've been enjoying it. I like to switch things up all the time, so I don't use the same thing all the time, but I've been using this for a little over a month now and I'm really enjoying it. So you can see that the consistency is quite rich, but it's intended to be absorbent, so it's not like a thick, heavy cream that you sort of feel caked on your face. It's luxurious but lightweight at the same time, and it leaves your skin feeling super soft and hydrated. And then obviously in terms of anti-aging benefits, you see those more with long-term use, but it helps with fine lines, with tone, with texture, with clarity, all that sort of stuff. Some of the key ingredients in it are vitamin C. I'm a big fan of vitamin C. I think it's a powerhouse ingredient. Great antioxidant to stimulate collagen production. They get it from a natural source. It's from the kakadu plum. It's a type of plum that has a really high concentration of vitamin C. They also have some other things like rosemary extract in it. And you can read about the other ingredients on the website. There's a lot of them in there. And then Dichotomy Eye Serum. If you can use an eye serum twice a day, that's ideal. This is what I've been doing for many, many years, and it seems to be working for me quite well. So the Dichotomy Eye Serum has a different sort of texture or consistency to it. It is more of a gel, which is intentional. You want something a bit more lightweight for the under eye area. Under the under eye area. Anyway, so Dichotomy Eye Serum, it's sort of taking natural ingredients and combining it with scientific research and evidence that proves that these ingredients work. Addresses dark circles, puffiness, fine lines. If you don't know how to apply an under eye product, it's pretty simple. You just take a tiny amount. People often say, oh my God, this bottle is so small, it's never, I'm gonna go through it in a week. But you need a tiny amount of product to actually apply it, if you think about how big the under eye area is, right? So you just take it on your index finger, and then you tap it with the other index finger, and then you just apply like that. I never recommend like pulling the skin or rubbing, because it's kind of harsh on the under eye area, so just like tapping is better. And then you're good to go. So yeah, that's it in a nutshell. A good anti-aging routine, nighttime cream, under eye serum. Check them out. They're available on shopmask.com. And if you are in Vancouver, come see them in the store. Thanks for listening.